The Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly election, 2007 was held in April-May 2007. It was held to elect a government for the state of Uttar Pradesh in India. With 166 million people, UP is about the size of France, Germany, and the Benelux nations combined. There are 113 million voters and 403 electoral seats, with an average of 250,000 voters in each constituency. The elections were conducted for 403 seats at 110,000 polling stations under very strict guidelines by the Autonomous Election Commission of India. More than 46% of the electorate cast their votes. The election was held in 7 phases. A total of 129 parties fielded 2,487 candidates, while 20 candidates stood as independents for the total of 406 seats. The number of criminal politicians participating in the elections have been growing, particularly because they have been successful in the past. In the UP Assembly elections, 2002, candidates with criminal records won 206 out of 403 seats in the assembly, i.e. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.